Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Hub. Today we will be determining the intersection of three planes represented using scalar equations. So find the point xyz that satisfies these planar equations. So I'm going to name these equations equation 1, 2, and 3. Now that we have that, so let's take a look. So we're basically going to use the substitution method to solve this stuff. We need to find the point of intersection. So let's take equation 2 and make x the subject. X is equals to 2y plus z plus 1. Okay, so now that we have that, we can simply take this and plug this into equation 1. You will get 2y plus z plus 1 plus y minus 2z equals to minus 5, which is 3y minus z equals to minus 6. Okay, so now we have this, we can make z the subject, which gives me z is equals to 3y plus 6. So this is what we have z as, and now that we have z, we can simply take this z and plug this right into x, which we get x is equals to 2y plus 3y plus 6 plus 1. This would give me x is equals to 5y plus 7. So now I have found out what z and x are. I can take both of these and plug it into equation 3, which would give me 2 times 5y plus 7 minus 3y plus z, which is 3y plus 6 equals to 10. Now let's solve this. This becomes 10y plus 14 minus 3y plus 3y plus 6 equals to 10. These cancel out, so this becomes 10y plus 20 equals to 10, which becomes 10y equals to minus 10. Therefore y equals to minus 1. Now we have found out the value of y. Now we can find out the value of x by substituting this y into x, which gives me x is equals to 5y plus 7. Substituting y into x gives me x is equals to 5 times minus 1 plus 7, which gives me x is equals to minus 5 plus 7. Therefore x is equals to 2. So now we have found out x and y. So the last piece of our puzzle is finding out z. So we have z as 3y plus 6. Since z is equals to 3y plus 6, we can substitute y into z. That gives us z is equals to 3 times minus 1 plus 6, which is z is equals to minus 3 plus 6. Therefore z is 3. So therefore our point of intersection would be, our answer should be in the form of x, y, z. So our point of intersection would be 2 comma minus 1 comma 3, and that is our point of intersection. Find the point that, okay, that is the point of intersection. Thank you for joining us. I hope to see you in the next lesson.